here again for a new vlog. For today's vlog, I'm gonna answer some questions. It's not questions that you guys asked, but someone told me that I should answer funny questions. I searched on Google funny questions, but there are none. I don't find the questions funny, so I picked this questions game. I feel so awkward talaga.
This is super awkward!
OMG, iyak kay Kanday. Iyak kay kong dagway. Number 1. I have so many intro. Number 1. You only get 3 words to describe yourself. What are they? So, everyone knows this. Beautiful?
What?
Stunning. And gorgeous.
What the fuck?
But let's see. Serious answer. I can describe myself. I think I'm a straightforward person, maybe. Yeah, what? Feeling char. And I think I'm a easygoing person. Easygoing. And I think I'm very friendly or kind, maybe. I think. I don't know, maybe friendly. So maybe I can describe myself as straightforward or frank and kind and easygoing. Question number 2. What's something everyone else loves that you secretly find overrated? How come? Okay, maybe some people will get offended by this, but I think samgyeopsal. The Korean barbecue, because I like it. I enjoy doing it, but I can't say that I love it because you're just cooking for yourself. It has no taste. I don't know. It's better to eat fried chicken from Jollibee. I'm so sorry sa mga samgyeopsal fan. Number 3. Would you rather have a home on the beach or in the mountains? I enjoy staying on the mountain as much as I enjoy staying on the beach. So I can't pick. But for sure, I don't like the city. And number 4, what kind of things really makes you laugh? I don't know. Everything makes me laugh. All my friends know that. I might be loading. What do you say? What do you call that? Someone who can't understand a joke that easily. You need to explain the joke to me for me to understand it. I'm that kind of friend. Number 5. If you could jump into a pool full of something, what would it be? Charo? I don't know. Money? No, joke. I think I would love to swim on a jello pool. That would be fun. If you could be any fictional character, who would it be? Fictional character, who would it be? Maybe it would be Hermione Granger from R.I.P. Because yes, who doesn't like to be her? Have you ever had a crush on an animated character? Yes, I had. I don't know if you guys remember the cartoon Winx. I kinda had a crush on Blue's boyfriend. Number 8. What is the worst lie you have ever told your parents? Ding 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 ding. This is so tough because I don't want to say it. I don't have the worst lie. I lie, but it's not that bad. Sometimes it's just white lies. So that don't bother about that question, please. Number 9. Which habit are you proudest of breaking? Which habit are you proudest of breaking? I think, as far as I can remember, I used to suck this one. I don't suck my thumb. I suck this pinky. This pinky. I don't know, until 7, maybe 8. I used to suck this one, and then when I started cleaning my nails, when I started doing manicure for myself, that was the time when I stopped sucking this pinky. And I'm so proud that I've stopped that habit, or else that would be disgusting if I still do it. And number 10, if you had to pick an animal, which animal do you find the sexiest of all? What the fuck is this question? What animal do you find the sexiest of all? I don't know. I think a lion. A lion could be so sexy. No, it's disgusting to think of an animal to be sexy, but I think a lion, because I really like. No, my boyfriend doesn't have mustache and beard, but I really find guys with beard hot. So like the lion with the treva. Sorry, I'm so ignorant. I don't know what do we call that thing that's treva in the lion. This one, you see, you look at this mane. It's called mane. I don't know. Sorry, I'm so ignorant. This one. Diba? You see that? If we're gonna make him a person, I imagine it to be like masculine and someone who has muscles, big muscles, and a beard. So I find it hot. So weird to say it, hot. Okay, that's all for today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. That's all. See you on my next vlog. Bye.